11th Science, Chapter 2, Atomic Structure, Part 3, Developments Towards Quantum Mechanical Model of Atom.
Hello students, I am Madhu Sinha, your chemistry teacher. Watch my YouTube videos, like and subscribe it for further notifications. In this video, we will be discussing about the developments leading to the discovery of quantum mechanical model of atom.
In the view of shortcoming of Bohr's model, de Broglie, a French physicist in 1924, proposed that matter-like radiation exhibits dual behavior, that is, both particle and wave-like properties. De Broglie's relation can be given by the expression wavelength lambda is equal to h upon mv. Werner Heisenberg, a German physicist in 1927, stated uncertainty principle, which is the consequence of dual behavior of matter and radiation. It states that it is impossible to determine simultaneously the exact position and exact momentum of a moving electron. Mathematically, it can be given in the form of equation delta x into delta p greater than equal to h upon 4 pi. Here delta x is uncertainty in position of an electron along x-axis and delta p is the uncertainty in momentum. Delta P can be expressed as m into delta V, where delta V is the uncertainty in velocity of the particle. One of the most important implications of Heisenberg's uncertainty principle is that it rules out the existence of definite paths or trajectories of electrons and other similar particles. It is significant only for the motion of microscopic objects, because in our daily life, we come across macroscopic large objects which we can observe with naked eye without altering their motion. The position and velocity of these objects can be determined accurately. Hence, the statements of position and momentum of electrons have to be replaced by the statement of probability that the electron has at a given position and momentum. The fundamental equation of quantum mechanics was developed by Schrödinger in 1933. For a system of atom or molecule whose energy does not change with time, Schrödinger equation is written as H psi is equal to E psi, where H is a mathematical operator called Hamiltonian operator, which depends upon the total energy of the system. The total energy of the system takes into account the kinetic energies of all the subatomic particles, attractive potential between electrons and nuclei, and the repulsive potential between electrons and nuclei. The solution of this equation gives E and psi values. When Schrödinger equation is solved for hydrogen atom, the solution gives the possible energy levels the electrons can occupy and the corresponding wave function psi associated with each energy level. Out of the possible values, only certain solutions are permitted. Each permitted solution is highly significant as it corresponds to a definite energy level. Hence, we can say that the energy is quantized. Hence, classical mechanics based on Newton's law of motion successfully describes the motion of all macroscopic objects but fails to take into account the dual behavior of matter, especially for subatomic particles and uncertainty principle. Quantum mechanics is a theoretical science that deals with the study of motion of microscopic objects and takes into consideration both wave-like as well as particle-like behavior of matter. The branch of science which takes into account this dual behavior of matter is called as quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics was developed independently in 1926 by Heisenberg and Schrödinger. Max Born in 1926 suggested that the solution to Schrodinger's equation can be used as a possible position for finding electron. Quantum mechanical model states that most of the space in an atom is empty. It has a positively charged nucleus in the center and negatively charged electrons revolving in quantized energy levels. Orbital is the space around the nucleus where there is maximum probability of finding an electron. The address of the electron can be obtained by quantum numbers. It describes the orbital occupied by an electron. Let's quickly recap important features of quantum mechanical model of atom. Electrons are present in quantized energy levels. The concept of orbit is changed to orbitals, which is the region where there is maximum probability of finding an electron. Each atomic orbital has a wave function psi associated with it. In each orbital, electron has definite energy and cannot contain more than 2 electrons. All information about the electron in an atom is provided by wave function psi. Psi itself has no significance. However, psi square helps us to predict the region around the nucleus where there is maximum probability of finding an electron. Psi square is known as probability density and is always positive.